G'day trendsetters, how you going? Today it's time to harvest the Easter egg radish that I planted in the pots 27 days ago. One day before the packet says when they're ready, which is 28 days. Look at this little radish. Radish reveal. This is the Easter egg radish that I've grown in the pot. They've done extremely well. There was one or two back here. I'll show you in a minute that have split from growing so fast. But they're also, if you can see here, they've started to go to flower or go to seed, as some people say. So they need to be harvested. They're growing so fast. The weather here today is quite humid. There's a bit of rain around, the storm's forecast. I think we had 16 mils of rain last night, so not doing too bad at the moment. We do need a lot more though. So, harvesting radish, easiest thing you're probably ever going to do in the garden, and it's just simply a matter of getting your radish, pulling it out. And mine so far, oh, I've got a little something crawling along the bottom there. I don't know what they are. They're not affecting the fruit in any way. So all red ones, a couple of little purple ones, red again. What's the one that's gone to seed? It hasn't done anything at all. That's probably meant to be one of those red ones with a white bottom, but he hasn't done much. They'll end up in the compost bin. Red again, purple. Got a purple one. There's supposed to be yellow and white ones, but I don't think I got any. All the seeds I planted germinated, so there's obviously just a scarcity of yellow and white ones in the packet of seeds. Purple again, red. Ooh. Oh, they smell lovely. We'll try one in a minute. We'll try one. That's the one, that's not the one that split. This is the one that split. You can see there, big split. That'll happen from time to time, it's no big deal. Oh, little white one. Didn't develop much. Anyhow, there you go, that's harvesting. I'll plant some little baby carrots in here. I'll get some what they call horticultural sand, or just a washed coarse sand. Mix that through the top half of the potting mix, and I'll plant some little baby carrots in there. We'll do that in the next couple of days. But anyhow, what's nice? I might try the purple one. That looks pretty. It's got a bowl of water here. Give them a wash. Oh, that's good. Not hot. A little bit spicy, but not hot. The secret to growing radishes that aren't too hot is to grow them quickly. So you want to make sure they're well watered. You don't want to stress them in any way at all. Well, that's tasty. That's going to be nice in the salad. Now, I'd also like to say, since our last video, or my last video, the channel has gained 2 more subscribers. So we're slowly sneaking up there. Also like to welcome those 2 subscribers and everybody else, and thank you for joining. But if you found any of this anyway interesting, or you'd like to see more, please subscribe. If there's anything you'd like to see, or anything you'd like to know about in the veggie garden, or just gardening in general, just drop a line in the comments below. I'll see what I can do. And until next time, thanks for watching. Cheers.